Hello guys, ayan si Miming. Anong gusto mo, Ming? Merienda, Ming. Biscuit o curls? Hello guys, how are you today? Hello everyone. Have a good day. We are drinking coffee na naman guys. So, coffee is life. Of course, Miming always always by my side. Oh, Miming, as you can see guys, have a good day. Have a nice drinking coffee. So, yun guys. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Have a blessed day and a good day to all and everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Maraming salamat guys. Ayun, Ming. We are finished, Ming. What you want to eat, Ming? Curls or biscuit? We don't have Yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Pinapatawa ko lang kayo guys. Hopefully napasmile ko kayo. Keep safe. See you next. Thank you so much.